at a napkin folding class right now.
So we're done. The pyramid, the candle, the rose, the crown, this type of flower, I would say lotus flower.
Yeah, here's mine.
I don't know the name of it. Now the next one, let me teach you guys the elf boot. You know those little guys that help Santa every Christmas? I like this one. This is one of my favorites. So I will teach you guys how to make an elf boot. Those little boots that they wear.
Okay, hey there. You can get in it. Like, why are you just... Wait, someone's here at the door. Let's see. Who is it? I think it's probably... We have to get an extra necklace, apparently.
My necklace is stuck to my bracelet. You have those?
Just a minute. Alright, anyways, I was doing an update, and then my mom stopped by our room to... You have to, like, do the number and then press close. But, yeah, the safe we're trying to figure out. But anyways, tonight is the second night, formal night. So we are all dressed up. I wish my hair was better, but I took a shower, tried to dry it, brush it out as best as I could. Might do another brush. I wish it was curly, but we don't have a curler, but it is what it is. And pretty much, I guess I will update you on kind of stuff that happened yesterday that I didn't vlog. We went to the fitness and like spa like giveaway raffle thing. And I won like a coupon for like free socks at this store that's in Aruba or Curacao, so you can go to either one. And oh wait, she's back. Okay, they're figuring out jewelry stuff. I don't know, but anyways, last night you guys saw the show, a little bit of it, and then dinner and stuff, and then what else? Anything else? Oh, now he's probably coming. Gonna come be in the video?
I don't know, but they're taking family photos now at 5.
Okay.
But are we gonna have time? If there's a long line.
I think they're going on for like a long time, like it's because for the late people too. But anyways, yeah, I think there's more I was gonna say, but now I forget it all when everybody's here.
Okay, watch the beats.
Oh, you were recording right this
Yes, I am right now. Here, wait.
Prepare myself.
Here, I can take a little look around. We got towel lobster. Outfit check. All of us.
It's giving disco ball.
Alright, we moved the chair. And so here's my outfit. I don't feel like it's super formal, but it's the best I could find. And then here, Jessica again.
90s vintage prom dress. For free.
Nice. At a prom dress swap is where she got it. Alright. We are going to probably head over to dinner now. Because what time is it even?
It's about 1:45.
Alright, well then we should probably go. See ya. Alright, we are in line for formal night. Jessica's hiding behind me. So, yeah. Yeah, this is kind of the situation. This is also this way. So, yeah. Aren't you gonna say anything? Okay, here is the menu for tonight. A Taste of France, formal night. I think I'm gonna try the French onion soup, and then probably the grilled chicken breast, just because I'm a picky eater, so yeah. Then probably the warm apple cobbler is what I'm probably gonna go for. I don't know about them. Maybe we'll check in later. I always say that because like I want to, but then I don't know how it will go with recording and stuff. But
hello guys, how are you? Welcome back.
Yeah, hi.
You guys looking awesome.
okay, French onion soup, iceberg wedge, 2 and 2 tonight of the same thing. I've never tried French onion soup, but I've always wanted to, so I'm not going to delay this any longer. Alright, I already started eating it, but grilled chicken breast, beef tenderloin, and beef tenderloin. 2 and 2 again, but it's a little bit switched up. Also, I really like the French onion soup, but I did not finish it because I'm going to save room for my main course and dessert, so yeah. Now, apple cobbler. What is that?
Creme brulee.
Okay. And then, yes, fruit again. Alright, here's this to eat now. The iconic walk back to the room. On the camera, this lighting looks very green, but in reality it's like yellowish, so I may see what I can do for like filtering or color correcting. So if it's not green like I said, then I figured it out, but yeah. Heading back to our room. Okay, so I thought I would do a room tour of our inside cabin that me and Jessica are staying in, just because I didn't get a chance to yesterday, and I usually like to do that, just for the memories, and also some people might like to see the different things that each room comes with. So we've got our big bed here, and I think they can be separated, but we're just choosing to keep it together like this. It's probably just easier for right now. We got a lobster towel animal. I forget if I showed that a little bit earlier tonight or not. Maybe I did. I've noticed in some videos and stuff that there's been mirrors above the bed, but we got a picture of some leaves, it looks like, so yeah, I guess it's different for each room you get. And you got the phone, the nightstands. Then over here we've got a couch. I don't believe it pulls out at the bed. We have not tried, but I don't think it does. We've got one of our hangers that we brought on here right now, but let me take that off for a second. It is a little bit dirty, so we haven't really sat on it much or anything, but I mean, we're not in here super often, mostly only in the morning and night, and if we need to come in here for a quick stop to grab something. So it's not that big of a deal. And these hooks that you're seeing on the wall are not actually there. They are magnetic hooks that we brought, because if you didn't know, the walls on cruise ships are magnetic. So we bought these hooks, I think somewhere like Amazon, I think my parents did. And yeah, they're really strong. So on Royal Caribbean, we're allowed to do that. I'm not sure if some cruise lines don't allow it, but yeah, we've got laundry there, you know, just helps to have more hanging space. Got a shelf up there, TV, which can be swiveled so you can see it from the bed, drawer space, kind of like the desk area where you can get ready, more storage space. We've got a safe in that one and stuff, and then we've got the closet over here. And then the bathroom, and the bathroom light, the way you turn it on is this right here. It's on the outside, which is sometimes convenient, sometimes not. I don't know how I like that, but it's not really a big deal or anything. We've got towel hangers and stuff. You know, the typical. We've actually got plenty of storage over here. We got 4 shelves, we've got a cabinet that opens down there. Shower that closes this, so no curtain, so there's no like curtain blowing around at your feet, and not much water really gets out, which is good. Yeah, sink and storage below actually as well. Oh, there's also a fridge down in this compartment here too. Ours is not really keeping our waters that we ordered very warm, but or I'm sorry, very cold. They're kind of staying a little bit warm, but it's all right. So yeah, there's Jessica. She's trying to stay out of the shot, but there she is.
Go.
I think she's gonna change into something else, and we're gonna go to the show in a little while. It starts at 8. It's probably 7 something right now. And yeah. Oh, and full-length mirror right here that you probably saw some of earlier. So, alright, we will see you later. Maybe, probably. Bye.
snack. I got this little chocolate thing. You got pizza. Jessica got nothing. And what did you get?
It's not lemonade.
I said nothing. Oh, I didn't know you had a drink. Strawberry kiwi thing? What did you get?
Egg salad.
And an orange. We just got done with the show, so yeah, I'm kind of tired though, but the show was really fun. I enjoyed it. So. Alright, see you. Here I am up on deck 9. There's Jessica and Dad down there. They do I came up here to get our disposable camera. Oh, there goes Mom. But they do not know I'm recording them right now.
funny to put in the vlog. Elevator. There's an 80s party going on right now, so yeah.